First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create professional marketing videos, start by defining the product, service, or brand you want to promote. Next, identify your target audience and decide on the main message of the campaign. Keep the message focused on one clear benefit instead of trying to communicate too many ideas in a single video. Now create a simple video structure. Start with a strong opening, introduce the problem or need, present the product or service as the solution, highlight its main benefits, and finish with a clear call to action. For each scene, write a detailed Veo AI prompt. Describe the subject, environment, lighting, camera angle, camera movement, composition, colors, mood, and overall advertising style. For example, you could describe a premium product inside a modern studio with controlled lighting, realistic reflections, elegant camera movement, detailed materials, and high-end commercial cinematography. Generate each scene separately and review the results carefully. Maintain consistent branding, colors, product appearance, characters, and visual style throughout the project. Use cinematic camera movements where they support the message, but avoid unnecessary effects that distract from the product or service.